Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's using product from the new annual catalogue, and this is lovely tea suite, which I absolutely adore. And it's made this very cute card. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with some stamping, and we're going to be using this stamp set here called Cup of Tea, and we use the teacup here, the little tag here, the lemon piece, the enjoy, etc. So let's get stamping. We're going to stamp in our teacup in fresh freesia. So let's ink up our little teacup. And I've got some basic white here, just a scrap, giving it a good ink up, down, hold, give it a good press. Lovely. So finished with the fresh freesia. Let's bring in, this is Daffodil Delight. We're going to use this to stamp our little lemon slice here. Could be a piece of lime as well. It's really up to you. And then I've got garden green. I'm going to stamp a little tag using that. So let's just get it nicely inked up. Just like that. And then I've got this little word enjoy to go inside our tag. So sorry if my head's in the camera, I just need to get over the stamp. You need to get over the stamp so you can see what you're doing. There we go. Enjoy. So close that up. And then I have the matching dies. And these are the tea dies. And we're going to use our little teacup here. And we've got our tag for this one. And our little lemon slice. So I'm going to put that through the die cutting machine and I'll be back. So all our pieces are die cut. So now it's time to start assembling our card. So our card base is fresh freesia. The standard A6 card base, that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece here of the Tea Boutique Designer Series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. And you can see it's a lovely paper. I love this floral on the other side. Also the stripe is great as well, but I really like the floral. It's just so sweet and delicate. It looks like something would have been painted on a really nice teacup. Really pretty. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Then I'm going to bring in these doilies. These are the Heart and Home doilies. I'm going to take one of these brown ones here. I'm going to have that. I'll put a little bit of adhesive just in the centre so things can tuck, and there's also a bit of dimension. So let's see where we want this. Maybe like there. This is just building up our focal image now. Then I've got a little strip here of this same Designer Series paper, just the reverse side. And I'm going to put it across here. So this was just a little piece. It wasn't a scrap, so I don't even know how much it measures. It just measures like a centimetre by 10 centimetres. And it's just a little scrap. I'm just basically using up my scraps from cutting up my my main sheet. And where shall we have this? I just want something for our teacup to rest on. So maybe like that. Just like that. Okay. Now here is our teacup and our little sentiment, and let's see how we're going to have it this time. Let's put this up on some dimensionals to start off with. Okay, take the backs off. And let's put this on this little ledge, this little table. Let's see, I wanted to further across, that's too far across I think. Let's do it further. Yeah, it looks faffing about. And then our little lemon slice. Just like that. And then our tag. How shall we have the tag? Last time I had it off the edge like this. I'm wondering whether I want to do something different here. Okay, so what I've done is actually restamped the tag so it's going in the different direction. You see this one was going that way. I've decided to make it go this way. And then I'm going to stick a hole here in the top. Just using my pokey tool. Just like that. Whoops, sorry for the noise. And then I'm going to use some of this, and this is our linen trim, linen thread, and I'm going to put this through a hole, and we're going to tie this onto the, like we did before, onto our teacup, but I really liked the way that looked. I just thought it was so cute. So I'm going to put it about there. You know what I'm going to do first is a trick I learned last time when I did this, was to take a dimensional, because I'm going to pop this up anyway. Put it on the back of my tag here, and then position it wherever I want it, so maybe like that. And now when I tie my bow, nothing's going to move. It makes the whole thing so much easier. Obviously tying a bow is not easy, not for me anyway. Some of you are brilliant at bow tying. Me, unfortunately, no. But we will see what we come out with, and I'm sure it won't look too disastrous, however hard we try. So let's see, try and neaten this off a bit. Oh well, it will do like that. Let's do our finishing touches of some lovely pearls. Here they are. I love these pastel pearls. And we're just going to put a few around. There we go. There are our two cards. I like them. I hope you do too. If you do, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!